Shemai Pao. Today we're at the Skoda Fabia. This customer was advised a couple months back on their MOT that they needed some new front pads. When I spoken to him, I changed the rear discs and pads last year, and he didn't know when these front discs were changed, so he just wanted them changed for peace of mind. So if you look at them, they're not horrendous, but he didn't know they were last changed, and he wanted to make sure that they're all fine, so we didn't have to worry about them for a good few years. So we've changed them out too. Relatively routine brake change, there's nothing special about it, but something that's really quite nice, and you'll see later on in this video, is I work in a really small area. My radius isn't very big at all, so I'm always bumping into somebody that I know, and this video isn't any different, and I actually bump into someone quite special in this video. So stay tuned, watch to the end, see how I take these old and crusty brakes and change them into something new and fantastic that was willing to stop a vehicle and have this wonderful interaction with somebody special. Don't forget, every time you like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps the work that we do. So please keep that up, and I'll see you soon. Au revoir.
It's been the worst of years. I don't even know where to begin. 2 fights I've lost, every single shot I've taken a loss. But each time I fall, you're on the ground next to me. And every time I'm low, you lift me back up again. From midnight pavements to playing favorites, from the lowest point to heavenly, you'll always be my remedy. It's been the worst of years, the hardest that it's ever been. I've scraped for everything, now I'm trying to find my feet again. Oh, but each time I fall, I'm reaching out for your hand. And every time I'm low, you're the lift I've been waiting on. From midnight pavements to playing favorites, from the lowest point to heavenly, you'll always be my remedy. From midnight pavements to playing favorites, from the lowest point to...
Oh, hi, Dad.
Oh, hi Isaac.
Hi.
How's it going? You okay?
Yeah. You smell like you've had some pancakes from McDonald's.
Oh, well, I haven't. Well, you got a dirty face on you anyway.
Okay.